This right here, guys, is the dream car. We're gonna go ahead and start stripping the car. It looks like it's had a small little crash. As you guys can see, there's no saving this bonnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. There's no saving that bumper. Damage that I don't get though is like damage to this door. Damage I don't get again is also on this side with the little line. That off. Go ahead and slide the grill out just like that. This is when you find out this is broken, that's broken. Your light's broken. There we go. The crash bar has gone and done its job. If you look at the crash bar, you can see that it's gone ahead and folded here. So it's gone ahead and crumpled like it's supposed to. So the impact was on that side and it's taken the impact. In terms of the structure of the car, everything looks nice and straight, which is good. I've driven 2 hours to Barking to come and get the part for this car. But have a look at these cars that I'm looking at right now, guys. Nice little Porsche. So I've loved this car since I saw one back in 2016. This is the newer shape of that particular model, but even in this state, look how stunning this thing looks. Doesn't look like it needs that much work, to be honest.